Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So I'm back after a little bit of a Christmas break, so this is just going to be an easy video. Now, in the last lesson we were in the opponent punch left, and as you can see we're in the head struck, and we need to create the if blocks for the other opponents. So let's have a look. I'm going to come to the opponent manager script. So obviously 0 is the first one in this string. So let's copy this if block. So let's change 0 to 1. And we need to go through this string. So when we increase by 1, we come to the white robot. So let's change that here. Again, we'll just copy and paste into the comments. So we just got to go through and just keep going. So we just need to keep upping the value each time, checking in the opponent manager which is the next one numerically. So in this case it'll be the red robot. And we've just got to keep doing this, so let's copy that. So the next one is the blue robot. And we're halfway through now, so the next one is brown. And for those of you wondering, yes, this will need optimization. We really don't want to be calling these if blocks every time, but we will deal with that later. First we just want to get everything working, then we'll come back and we'll optimize the code. And let me just go through. So we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 will be the pink robots. So we'll go ahead and change that. So, and we'll come to the opponent manager script now. We're just going to add comma, the quote marks, and we'll say gold robot opponent. Now I didn't put this in originally because I was going to have the gold robot non-selectable, or I was at least toying with the idea. But I think I will make it selectable, so let's just add that to the string. And of course, once we've added to the string, we can now add it here. And let's come back. So we definitely need to update the opponent manager script, but those if blocks are now in place, so let's save that off there. Okay, we'll come to the opponent manager and we're going to come down to the void load current opponent. So we swapped out black and white robot here, but we didn't do the other ones. To be honest, I cannot remember if I said I was going to do that off camera, but obviously it was something that I never got around to, so let's just change it now. So that needs to be red. And we'll change that to red robot. Obviously it needs to be the same there. And we want the red robot alt. So again, we just need to go through and change these. So blue robot opponent. Let's change everywhere that needs to be changed. Least in the code, and then we'll go through and just quickly change these comments. So blue, and we need to change that to blue. So not many more to go now. Let's brown robot opponent. And of course brown robot alt. Change that there. And here as well. So blue, brown. Let's see if we've got these. Blue, brown. So green is the next one. And let's now change the comment. So obviously I'll come back and check that I haven't missed anywhere, but I don't think I have up to yet, in the comments at least. So that's the green. Now we need to do the same for the pink. So again, just coming back into the comments. And of course, now we'll copy that if block, we'll paste it in below, and now we'll create the if block for the gold robot. So I may end up doing some sort of, because I was going to have the gold robot as the final boss, and I'm still planning on doing that. So I may do some sort of adjustment to the stats if the player select it, just to make it more rounded compared to the other characters, but again we'll worry about that later. We'll save that off. So we've updated the opponent manager and the opponent punch left, and I think we'll leave it here for this lesson. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.